NEC Section 300.15c mandates that underground service entrance conductors must be enclosed in raceways. These raceways should extend from below the Earth's surface to a point either above the finished grade or up to the distribution panel board. Furthermore, NEC Section 300.16 necessitates that the raceway be securely fastened to the building or structure. Expansion fittings are designed to accommodate the thermal expansion and contraction of a raceway. This expansion and contraction occurs due to temperature changes. These fittings are typically necessary when the raceway is subject to substantial movement. This includes long runs of conduit that is exposed to direct sunlight, or conduit that is installed in areas with significant temperature variations. Considering the information provided, it is unlikely that an expansion fitting is required. The conduit run is relatively short at only 10 feet, and it is not subject to significant temperature fluctuations because it's underground. A housekeeping pad will be installed at the metering location, and this will further secure the conduit. It is possible that the inspector requiring an expansion fitting is misinterpreting the code. The code does not specifically require an expansion fitting in all cases where the conduit is not rigidly secured. In order to resolve the issue, firstly contact the electrical inspector's supervisor. Explain the situation and the code requirements. The supervisor may provide clarification. Secondly, show the inspector the relevant code. Highlight the pertinent code sections and explain why it is believed that an expansion fitting is not required. Thirdly, as a last resort, install the expansion fitting. If the inspector insists on an expansion fitting, installing it will comply with their request. However, be aware that this may not be necessary and could add unnecessary cost to the installation. In summary, it is likely that an expansion fitting is not required based on the code requirements and the specific situation. Discuss the issue further with the electrical inspector and follow their instructions to ensure compliance.